Gate shut. Machine is no start. This top proximity sensor has come loose. Okay, we're going to put some thread lock compound, some Loctite on this proximity sensor so that it won't rattle loose. So greasing the grease fittings on this turnbuckle assembly. We're tightening up the wire terminal connections in the control panel and the switches. The switches are physically loose. They've come loose. We're going to fix all that. So a lot of things, machine's pretty new, but a lot of things have rattled loose and come loose. This is another thing right there. We're going to go ahead and tighten that. Just repairing that damaged wiring with some electrical tape. We are back in service. Everything's been lubricated. All the little repairs, everything's been fixed. Thank you.